Hello and welcome to this mini tutorial where we're going to break down and build back up the pronunciation of the word second in English. So here's the dictionary script. As you can see, the mark top left in blue shows us that the first syllable is the strongest, the stressed syllable, and then we've got a blue dot in the middle that shows us the syllable, or rather the word, is divided into two syllables. So repeat after me, stressing that first syllable, make it stronger. Second. So breaking it down a little then, thinking about that first syllable, we start with the s, that hissing sound, then we've got a short e and an unvoiced k. So our consonants are quite breathy in this first syllable. So repeat after me, sec, sec. So you might feel that little click there for the k. Syllable 2 then, we've got that weak schwa, so it's very short, and then an n, which is up in the nose, and a d, which is voiced. So building those together, it's und, und. And this is where most mistakes occur with this word. So in a moment, we'll look at how the word is written and think about why these mistakes happen. So here we have it. This is how we write the word. Remember, our pronunciation was second, second. And as with many words in English, it's the vowels that cause a bit of confusion. So our e in syllable 1 is the same. E, sec. So it looks as we pronounce it, e. But with the second syllable, we write that schwa as an o. And so many people have the tendency to overpronounce and say things like second with that o. And if we're talking about seconds, as in a measurement of time, that noun second has the stress at the beginning, and to make that first syllable stressed, we have to make something else weaker. And the way that we do that in this word is with that schwa sound, so it's second, not second. So that's your takeaway tip for this word, is go soft with your vowel in the second syllable, second. So I hope you found that useful. If you did, go ahead and hit like. And of course, as always, if you've got a request for a word to be covered in a future video, then just leave that in the comments below. Thanks for watching and have a lovely day.